Have a window and you want to create and add to that window 3 buttons using a for loop. Let's say that the buttons are in 3 different colors, pink, blue and green, and that they have an onclick function that displays a hello message. But the message may differ according to the buttons. For the pink button, it displays hello pink. For the green and blue ones, it displays hello green and hello blue respectively. We will use one for loop to create and configure the buttons. We will also use one function definition, the say hello function, that takes a parameter. The parameter will change according to the button. So we will use a lambda function to define the command property of each button. The problem is that even if we use lambda to pass an argument to our onclick function, the displayed message will be the same for all the buttons. The last argument will be used to display the message of all the buttons. First, the buttons will display only one message, hello. To do that, we import Tkinter and message box, create the main window by specifying the geometry, the title and the background color, define our onclick function say hello with no parameter, and it simply call a message box show info function to display an info message box with the message hello. To create the buttons, first we define the text to be displayed in a list. In our case, displayed text is also used to define the colors of the buttons. We initialize an empty list that will contain the future created buttons, not necessary in our case. In the for loop, we create a button, configure its text background color, font width and foreground color. We configure its command property to say hello function. We add it to the main window layout using get layout manager. We add the button to the list of buttons. Call main loop to run the app, run the code, and here are the 3 buttons. When you click on any of them, it displays the info window with the message hello. To have different messages, we add the MSG parameter to our say hello function. The displayed message on the info box will be the hello concatenated with the message value. We change the command property to set it equal to lambda. Lambda calls a function say hello with the text corresponding at each button using the list of text defined earlier and the index of the loop. The problem is that when we run the code, the message remains the same. The problem is that variable pattern was passed and used in lambda and not its value. To solve this, we simply add a parameter y to lambda, set it to the value of the index y, then pass it to the say hello function. When we run the code, it works. The displayed messages are different. We can rename the parameter, which is preferable, and it will also work. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or concern, let me know in the comments below. Bye!